Yo, what's going on, everybody? We're going to skip the skating today. Today is going to be all about my setup and what my charts look like and how to get started. I've had some feedback already from a few of you who have said my videos are a little bit too overwhelming already and I should cut it, like kind of dumb it back and start at the basics. So today we're going to be talking about that. But anyway, I just want to point out this ugly ceiling fan above me that my wife hates when I put it in the video. So there it is in all its full glory. It looks amazing. She's a little embarrassed of the house, but the house actually looks pretty nice. So I'll just give you a peek. But and I'm sitting here at my bar top, by the way. I'm most comfy here. I don't know how you guys feel about the bar, or if you like the green screen up in the studio. But yeah, house is still under construction. So we're going to look at this ugly fan even longer. Let's just put it right in the shot. There it is. So today we're going to be talking about my setup and how you guys can get started as a beginner. So let's get into it. A few of you have asked for some private lessons. Let me get a few more YouTube videos out first before we really jump into anything. And I got to get the teaching down better, guys. This is just a hobby for me. So the teaching aspect is the hardest part. But if you want, you guys can get started by using my affiliate link right here. We're both going to get free stocks, so you're helping me out and I'm helping you out. And that's the program that I use. It's free. It's Weeble. So go ahead, click that, and then we're going to learn how to use it starting at the beginning like you've requested. So let's get started. Okay, so once you have your program installed and opened, you're going to go up to the top left search bar up here, and we're just going to search for our first stock, which is Tesla. Obviously, everybody loves Tesla. It's our favorite. We're going to click on Tesla. It's going to bring you to the Tesla chart. You'll notice that it's in a line chart mode. Yours should probably start you off in a line chart mode. Line charts are kind of bad because they only track one piece of information. It's the average price over a certain period of time. We're going to go up here to the line style, and we're going to select candle. Candles are better because it offers you 4 pieces of information over a set period of time. It gives you a high, a low, an open, and a close, which allows you to kind of gauge how the stock is doing better than just with one piece of information. It kind of gives you a little bit of insight into how people are buying, how people are feeling. Do they want to sell? Do they want to go, buy and push it higher? It gives you a lot more information. So this is the first thing to do when setting up your chart. The next most basic thing to do would be to learn how to create a watch list. If you go here, there's a watch list icon. You can click on that. And then over here in the top right, there's edit watch list. So you're going to click that. Let's go over to here, add watch list. You can just create a new one. We're going to go hot stocks 2021. Save that in there. Then what we're going to do is add symbol to that one. So you're going to make sure we're on our hot stocks. Add symbol. We're going to look up Tesla again. We're going to click on Tesla. We're going to add that. So now we have that ready at all times. You can just double click on that and it's going to bring you to its chart instantly. You probably have some more presets already open. I closed a lot of mine to limit confusion, but if you click this, or yours might already be open, here's your watch list that you just created right here, ready to go, right next to your stock charts. So you'd be able to quickly move in and out of a bunch of different stocks and be able to check and see which ones are moving and which ones are not moving for the day. So now I'm going to open up some more of the windows. You've probably already have these open like I was saying a second ago. Click this one. This has got your ticker information up top. It's also got a lot of key statistics for the stock. It'll give you all kinds of information in here. It'll tell you if the company's profitable or not, so you don't really have to do a whole ton of outside research. You can just base it off of these numbers. And you'll notice down here that we have our news, financials, analysis. A lot of people like to trade off of news, so you can see that right here. Another spot where you can find news quicker is you'll notice back up in your watch list, it has this little icon right here. You click on that, it'll bring up some news for the day. In the top middle, we have our drawing tools. If you click on that, it brings up a bunch of different line tools and things you can use to help identify areas of value in your charts. You can go ahead and click on the horizontal line tool. Say you wanted to draw a support line, you could just click right there and bring it up. So what this does is it allows you to highlight areas of significance, so you could wait and hopefully the price falls back down to that and you could maybe mark that as a spot of where you wanted to buy. The other thing to check out up here is the indicators. I like to use the moving average, volume, and the relative strength index, so you can go ahead and click on all those. Now the chart's looking a little bit more confusing, so you don't have to use them all initially. You can focus just on reading the candlesticks, which is where I would recommend starting, is really mastering candlesticks. So these are just some indicators that I like to use, But everybody kind of develops their own style and ways of doing things eventually, so you got to kind of pick and choose and see what works for you and kind of develop a plan and like a way of trading that works in your favor. So this is what I do, and this is my setup. So that's the end of this video for today. I'm going to probably turn this into a series, so maybe tomorrow we'll talk more about candlesticks and keep this little beginner's course series going. So thanks for watching. Keep skating and keep trading.